Hi everyone, my name is Vikas. I am an investment banker. So I hold over 12 years of experience working in the investment banking and financial modeling. So today I'm making this short video for all of those who are looking to build their career in the field of investment banking and financial modeling. So this video will also be relevant for those who are looking to switch their profiles into investment banking and financial modeling and are currently working in the other fields. Okay. So in this short video, I will talk about what are the skill set which is required to become a financial modeling expert. Then I will talk about what are the prerequisites for any financial modeling or investment banking job opportunity. And then I will take you through the entire interview process. And at last, so I will review a financial modeling course based on certain parameter. Okay. So now I'm quickly jumping on the point number one, where I will talk about what are the skill set which is required to become a financial modeling expert. Okay. So the first thing that you will be requiring is the conceptual knowledge. So you should have a good knowledge of basics of finance, accounting, and time value of money. Then you should be able to understand P&L, balance sheet, and cash flow, how the financial statements are basically interlinked with each other. Okay, so then you should have a basics to advanced Excel proficiency. Then you should know like how to work on different types of model like the DCF, LBO, and merger and acquisition model. So then you should also be well versed with like how a business basically generates with revenue from its different kind of revenue streams. Okay, so what are the different kind of costs which are associated with the business? So then only you'll be able to do the forecasting for a company. Okay, then the financial modeling is not just about basically preparing a Excel model and just doing something with the numbers. Okay, so how you are basically presenting your data with the have for dashboard charts and storytelling, so that also really matters a lot. Okay, so data presentation is also one of the skill that the investment bank firm or any recruitment firm basically looks into. Okay, so now I will be talking about what are the prerequisites for any financial modeling jobs opportunity. Okay, so the first thing that they will be looking in you is what is your academic background, what kind of college or university that you are coming from. Okay, along with that, so they will also be checking your how much you have scored in these post graduation and the graduation degrees, like the percentile, percentage, or grade, whatever is the case. So then along with that, so they will also be checking what kind of skill set that you have. Do you have the basic to advanced Excel skills? Then do you understand the financial statements very well, like the financial analysis skills if you have? Then problem solving skills. So if you clear on both of these parameters, so then you'll be moving towards the interview process. So then only your resume or CV will be selected for the interview process. Okay, so let's assume so you clear on both of these parameters, so and you have been selected for the interview process. In the first round, you'll be going through a case study wherein they will ask you to basically work on industry overview, financial model, or Excel test. Okay, so in case you clear the case study round, so then you'll be moving towards the technical round. So in the technical round, so they will be checking you on the how much you understand about the finance basics, like the accounting ratio related questions and answer can be asked. Then in so they can also ask you a few questions related to the investment banking, such as WAC, beta, DCF, terminal value, EBITDA, LTM, enterprise value, and equity value, etc. Okay, so then once you clear the case study and the technical round, so then you will be moving towards the HR round. So in the HR rounds, they will check your attitude and your behavioral aspects. And along with that, so they will also be checking your soft skills, like how do you basically communicate with the HR, and your communication skills will be assessed. Okay, so in case you clear all of these three rounds, so then you'll be selected for any investment banking or financial modeling opportunity. Okay, so this is the entire interview process that I've just took you through. Okay, so now I will review a financial modeling course based on certain parameters. Okay, so now I will review a financial modeling course offered by Coursera. Okay, the course name is Business and Financial Modeling Specialization. Okay, so these are the feature of this course, like what you are going to learn. Like you will be able to create your own quantitative models, understand the measurement and management of risk, harness the power of spreadsheet to map and predict data, structure your decision making for optimum results. So this is going to be a very beginner level of course. So you will need 2 weeks to complete this course at 10 hours a week. Okay, so you'll be spending around 20 hours to basically complete the entire course. So you'll be able to complete this course at your own pace. Okay, so that means like this is going to be a self-paced learning course. Okay, so if we look at the outcomes, so looking at the specialization, like what all that you're going to learn in this course. So fundamental of quantitative modeling will be spread across 7 hours of learning. Introduction to the spreadsheet and models will be spread across 5 hours. Then modeling risk and reality, 7 hours. Decision making and scenarios, 6 hours. Wharton business and financial modeling capstones that will be spread across 13 hours. So this is basically the curriculum of this particular course. So if we talk about like what we getting in this particular course, so are they providing any kind of internship? So no, so they have not mentioned placement. So they have not mentioned on their website. Okay. So if we look at the fee structure, so since this is going to be a self-paced learning course, so they have basically have not mentioned on their website about the fees. Okay. So basis the things that we have looked into this particular course on their website. So I'm going to rate this course basis these parameters. So you can just see the parameters are basically listed on the left. So on the basis of which I'm going to rate this course. Okay. So if we look at the course depth, so this is not going to be a very comprehensive course. So this is going to be a very beginner kind of course. So Excel skills that you will be learning in this course, live session will not be there. Live doubt session will again not be there. Internship support will be missing. Placement support will also be missing. Course fee will be lesser in this course. So course duration will again be very less. Okay, so because everything you are going to learn in about 20 to 30 hours. So because of that reason, so this is going to be very short course. Money back guarantee they are providing in if you basically ask for the refund in the first 7 days after applying for this particular course, so then you can claim for the refund. So LMS access that you'll be getting in this course. Okay, so based on these parameters, so this course has scored 4 out of 10. Okay, so in case you are really serious about basically building your career in the field of financial modeling, so I can suggest a better financial modeling course, which basically comes with the entire package, the complete package. And so that course basically covers all the parameters uh, on the comprehensive angle. Okay, so you'll be able to learn everything in that course. So they will also be providing you with a lot of support. Okay, so in case you need, so I can provide the details related to that course in the comment section, in the description section. So please check out that details, the details related to that course. In case you need any kind of further assistance from my end, feel free to ping in the comment section, and I will revert to you as soon as possible. I hope you will like this video, and thanks for watching the video.